have seen a number of salmon coming here.
Getting a guided tour of North Van's MacKay Creek with ecologist Crystal Brennan is a story of a lot of positive change in a small amount of time.
Initially, this area at one point, probably a long time ago, used to be a wetland.
Flowing right through a light industrial and business area. The wetlands around MacKay Creek over the years had become so altered by humans that they were polluted, choked with invasive species, and at times would completely dry up.
It wasn't doing any of the jobs that it would normally be doing.
But starting in 2019, volunteers started working to bring it back. An excavator dug out as much of the invasive plants as it could, and they were replaced with native species like willow, bulrushes, and snowberry.
So we have all these different plants here that help to provide habitat, and they also help to slow the water flow.
The results were nearly immediate. Ducks were the first to show up, then more songbirds, hawks, and herons. And this spring, in the main course of MacKay Creek, they spotted pink and chum salmon. Corey Tull is with BC's new Watershed Security Coalition and says it's a model that can be replicated elsewhere.
What we know is that by investing in our watersheds and investing in our natural defense systems like wetlands, like riparian buffers, like restoring our forests, helps to create more resilient communities.
And then there's this. Even in rainy North Van, Brennan could already see the results of their work when last month's catastrophic atmospheric river hit.
This time, in all of the water that we've had here, it's barely gone up at all. This wetland was able to absorb a lot of the waters.
So the MacKay Creek wetland may stand as a prototype for how to inexpensively bolster our waterways using nature's own methods. It also looks great. Here are some before and after shots. In North Van, Paul Johnson, Global News.